Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. I hope you are enjoying your week. I hope that you are enjoyed a relaxing weekend and I cannot wait to share with you my video today. So excited. Alright, so this has been asked and requested numerous times and I'm not going to do a full planner of it. But today I'm going to show you what it's like to punch some Erin Condren pages into your Happy Planner and blend two worlds together. So if you are new here, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the fun. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to take my monthly Erin Condren and I'm going to pull a page from the back. And, oh, you know what? These are perforated, so I don't even have to do what I was going to do. Maybe. Okay, maybe I want to do this anyways. Okay, so, as painful as that was to watch, I just ripped a page out. Now, I do not recommend this unless you are really committed to doing this, first of all, because it would be, and probably the way, if you were going to do it, like, if you were going to actually do it, the better way to do it would be to uncoil it and just do it that way and not actually do it like I just did it. But I'm just showing you for one page worth, so that's why I did it that way. But probably uncoiling it would be the most effective way. Sorry, you might hear dogs barking in the background. Annabelle, get in here. And then you can, not all the pages, okay, here's the other thing. Not all the pages are going to have, I'm not even sure you can see, guys. I feel like it might be just like a smidgen too bright, so I'm going to turn the brightness down a smidgen. Maybe that's better. Okay. I'm not sure that all the pages have the perforation, so I think that's what's specific to this type of, guys, I don't even think I want to do that. I want to cut it. But they do have, it is perforated, but I think I'm just going to cut it because I just feel like it's going to cut cleaner. All right. Look at that. Beaut. It's a beaut. Okay, so we have officially cut the page. Now, here's what you want to keep in mind. When you do this, it is going to indent your pages a little bit more than they traditionally would be. But if you do not have a Happy Planner punch already, they do sell them. I'm not sure if it's still at Michael's, but I think it is. There's also the Arc Punch, which you can get at Staples, and it will work fine for the... Okay, it says max is 3 sheets. So what you also going to want to do is space it properly, because you have to think, however you punch something, that is how it's going to go inside your planner. So, and you're already losing a little bit of depth because you have, you have made it, you pulled off the other side. Let's go to the back. I'm going to show a side by side. So how much have you lost? Not a whole lot. But if you were to actually put this in, it's going to be a little bit shorter. So, because does that make sense? I hope I'm making sense to you all. But that is the way that it is supposed to be done. So, in lieu of that, there you have it. What do you think? So what I would say, depending on what your goals are and what you want to achieve, if you look at this, let's go ahead and punch it in here. So I do feel that the quality of the Erin Condren pages are slightly better quality. I say this because it is not significant, but slightly better quality than the pages of the Happy Planner. Super nice paperweight. It's even the texture of the page is nicer. Okay, but It is slightly smaller. So you can do a couple things. One is you could consider, I'm pulling it open to like an actual, yeah. So one is you could consider punching an Erin Condren cover, or just being okay with the overlap of the fact that the cover is going to be a little bit bigger than your planner itself. Not significant, but it is a little bit bigger than your planner and the planner pages. So you can see, I'm going to flip it over one more time. It's not a huge gap. But if you're planning on doing this with your planner, when you do punch, once you cut these pages off, when you do punch them, you're going to punch a little bit into this line right here, even on the weeklies. Well, this is a monthly planner, but you know, so you have to be really committed. If that's something you're going to do, you should be committed to what it is that you're doing and whether or not you're comfortable with that way. But here's the reality of it. For those of you who love Erin Condren planners, but maybe like the disc-bound system and being able to incorporate accessories and do different things like that, this is going to be a good thing for you to do. Having said that, Erin Condren does have a lot of accessories that you can already put in that you don't have to have this punch for, but that will punch in with no problem. So it's possible to do this. It's also possible to blend the world separately and do it a little bit different. But I want to hear from you. Do you want to see me do this to a whole planner? Do you want me to redo a planner, punching it, and show you what it looks like? Let me know. I'm curious. I've noticed that a lot of people have discussed actually doing that, and I want to know if it's something you'd like to see a full planner done on and not just a page. But it was something that I wanted to show you how to do it and how easy it can be to be done. But like I said, I want to know what you think. So in the comments, let me know. If I get enough people that want to see it, I will do it very soon. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts. Can't wait for your input. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this was informative to you. I hope that you do try it at home because I think it's worth it. Again, don't do it if you feel like you absolutely don't want to do it. And don't do it if you feel like you just want to try it out because you can't go back. So, all right, everyone. Well, I can't wait to see you on the next video. Have a great rest of your day.